What's going on, everybody? Still here in Virginia, about to get these tomatoes trellised up for my brother so we can get them producing as much as we can. And we're going to do a little pruning too. Anything that's touching the ground, we want to make sure that we trim it out. The tomato plant is basically covering his strawberry, so we're going to hopefully get it off so he'll get some more strawberries too. Okay, so one of the main things and reasons why you're trimming your tomatoes is to get rid of any low hanging and leaves that are on the ground, because you can create the tomato blight, which will decimate your plant, and you will not get near the production as if you don't have it. So what we're trying to do is avoid it and get this guy trellised up, and we will then also do a little pruning of anything that's still on the ground. So, if you come over here for a second, you can see how this guy's got a little take him out. What's great is this didn't cost us any extra money, because it was another piece of his branch that fell. Don't forget, comment and subscribe below. So basically, any brown leaves that are on this plant, we're trying to get rid of, because that's going to be detrimental to the plant growing and producing as much as it can. There's a bunch of little flowers on this one. His other side had a bunch of green tomatoes already. We've been in the garden for a little bit, and there are some bees that are pollinating everything. So it's good that the flowers are here to be pollinated. Tomatoes are also self-pollinating. So I already explained this to my brother. You can come here and you just tap around these flowers, and in doing so, they will pollinate themselves, and he should get some extra tomatoes out of the plant. So back to just trimming out any dead or any browning leaves that I see. Being up now, there's a breeze blowing, the plant's getting better airflow, which will then also dry out the leaves a little bit to help produce or help minimize the risk of any blight. Come here for a second. So we have, say, our main stem. We have our branch coming off at 90 degrees. This is a sucker. The sucker is going to compete with the main stem and cause the fruit not to be able to grow as big as it possibly can. So what I'm going to do for my brother is we're going to cut this one out. So that's going to allow more nutrients to go into the main stem and allow this plant to get taller. Well, thank you for watching. Hope everybody has a great day.